How to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone or public. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. The first thing first, make sure that your Instagram application is updated to its latest version to avoid any sort of glitch. So just go to Play Store and check for any updates available. If you're not, then go to the Instagram directly, and what you're gonna do is tap on your profile and look at your story. So this is a story that I've posted on close friends. How do I change this to everyone? There's no other option. So I'm going to select on three dotted lines down there and then save the photo. Now it will be saved to my camera roll, and what I'm going to do is tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, then go to the story and put that photo on my story yet again, but for everyone or public. That's the only way we have. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.